If you've been looking into AI certifications, then you're probably overwhelmed with just how much conflicting advice there is out there. Every blog, every article, and every video tells you something different. And the worst part is that a lot of what's being recommended aren't even real certifications. They're just online courses that hand you a certification for completing them at the end without a real proctored exam. So in this video, I'm revealing the only certification roadmap that you're going to need going into 2027. I'll walk you through the exact certifications to get, in what order, what each one costs, and how long you need to prepare and why they actually matter. Whether you're completely new to AI and trying to break in, or you're already in tech and you want to just keep your skills sharp, this gives you a clear path to follow without any guesswork. But just before we get into it, we need to talk about the biggest mistake people make when they start learning AI, because it changes everything about how this roadmap is built. The truth is, learning AI on its own isn't enough. Most people will sign up to a few courses on Udemy and they'll learn some concepts, but then they're stuck. The reason is because they don't understand how AI fits into the bigger picture. Where does it get deployed? How does it get scaled, and how does it get managed? And this happens on cloud platforms like AWS or Azure, which means that if you're learning AI without understanding the cloud platform that enables it to run on, you end up with an incomplete picture of how AI actually works. And going into 2027, AI and cloud are now inseparable partners. You cannot have one without the other, which is why we'll combine them in this roadmap as well. Let's start with step number one, the foundation. First, the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. This is the entry point to the entire AWS ecosystem. It gives you a broad understanding of what AWS is, what the main services do, and how the whole platform fits together. It's not about knowing how to code, and you don't need any prior experience. The exam will test you whether you understand the basic of what cloud computing is, what the key AWS services are and when you use them, and how security responsibility is split between you and AWS. The questions are multiple choice and they range from a short scenario-based style to just picking the right AWS service or concept from a list of options. The exam is 65 questions, you'll have 90 minutes, it costs $100, and you need 700 out of 1,000 to pass. Then immediately after, you'll want to go grab the AWS Certified AI Practitioner. This one covers how AI and machine learning services work on AWS. This is all conceptual because you are not building anything hands-on for any of these certifications, but you are proving that you understand what these AI services do, how they fit together, and when a business should or shouldn't use them. Again, 65 question, 90 minutes, $100, 700 out of 1,000 to pass. Now, it is worth noting that when you pass any AWS certification and you start at a foundation level, you get a 50% discount voucher for your next exam. So by passing your cloud practitioner, you get 50% off the AI practitioner. And this continues to stack as you grab more AWS certifications. Both of these certifications are beginner friendly and they shouldn't take you more than 1 to 2 weeks each to pass. Step 2 is the next level, which is the associate level. The AWS Machine Learning Engineer certification goes deeper into how AI systems are actually designed and managed on AWS. It covers the full picture of how an AI project works on AWS, from preparing data to training an AI model, to putting it somewhere that applications can actually use, so making sure that it keeps working properly over time. Now, this is still theoretical and you're not building any of this in the real exam. The questions are again multiple choice and they're scenario based. For example, you might get a question where a company's AI model is performing very well in testing, but the results are getting worse over time in the real world. And you need to identify the most likely reason and the right way to fix it. The exam is 65 questions, 170 minutes long, $150, and you need 720 out of 1,000 to pass. You can pass the exam with 2 to 4 weeks of focused preparation. Step 3, we have the professional level. The AWS Certified Gen AI Developer Certification covers what every company is trying to figure out right now: how to actually build and deploy AI-powered applications into their workflows. For example, AI assistants, AI chatbots, AI-powered search, all the things that you're seeing pop up everywhere. This certification tests whether you understand the theory behind how those systems are put together on AWS. You'll be testing on choosing the right AI model for a specific use case, connecting to a company's own data so it gives relevant answers instead of making things up, and putting guardrails in place so it doesn't share any sensitive information. That's the kind of thinking that this exam is testing. The difficulty from the associate level in step 1 is a very significant jump into step 3 at the professional level. At this level, the questions are a lot longer. The scenarios are more complex and more detailed. So you'll really need to understand the trade-offs and why one approach works better than the other depending on the current constraints. Right now, every company wants AI that works in production. Having a professional level certification at least proves that you understand the theoretical side of how these systems work under the hood. The exam is 65 questions, is 170 minutes long, $300, and you need 750 out of 1,000 to pass. Give it 6 to 8 weeks of focused study, really doubling down on the mock exams in the lead up to your exam date. Now, the way that people study for these certifications is completely broken. They'll go and buy a course on Udemy. It's 30 to 40 hours long, and within a couple of weeks, they're overwhelmed and barely making any progress. On top of that, they're jumping between 5 different tools, notes in one place, flashcards in another, mock exams on a separate platform, and before you know it, you're so overwhelmed with where to start and what to focus on that you never actually end up booking the exam and getting certified. That's exactly why StudyTech AI exists, the #1 AI and cloud certification platform in the world. StudyTech AI is the only platform in the world that identifies what you already know and focuses your time exclusively on your knowledge gaps. When you sign up to StudyTech AI, you pick a certification and you take a skill assessment. StudyTech AI figures out your strengths and your weaknesses across every single domain of the exam. From there, StudyTech AI takes care of every part of the learning journey for you to get certified. You learn a focused piece of material from your weakest domain, you get quizzed on it immediately. Any questions that you get wrong turn into flashcards, so you can nail that exact knowledge gap. And as you improve, StudyTech AI tracks your progress and gives you real-time visibility on exactly how much knowledge you have for each domain of the exam. Every action that you take on the platform is then fed back into your profile and you get updated in real time and personalized to you. Once you start acing the quizzes, you can take unlimited mock exams inside of StudyTech AI. Again, they're personalized to you, so you're not wasting time practicing topics that you already know. Every mock exam that you complete feeds back into your profile and into your dashboard, and it tells you exactly which domains are still weak. And once you're consistently scoring over 85%, you'll see your exam readiness score go up, and StudyTech AI will give you the signal to go book your real exam. There's no more guessing, there's no more flying blind, just a data-driven approach to AI and cloud certifications. So if you want to get AI and cloud certified and join over 1,000 learners that have already ditched Udemy and Coursera, check out StudyTech AI, link in the description below to get started. Step 4 is mastery. So you spend 3 steps building your knowledge of cloud and AI, from the foundations all the way up to understanding how AI-powered infrastructure and AI-powered applications are designed on AWS. Now you take all of that and apply it to AI tools that you're actually going to be using in the real world. Claude is one of the most widely adopted AI models in the industry right now and is available on all 3 major cloud platforms, including AWS. Recently, Anthropic launched a full certification program, all proctored, closed book exams. For this roadmap, there are 2 that you want to grab. The Cloud Certified Developer Foundations. The developer certification is aimed at engineers and developers who are actively building with Claude. The exam covers the practical side, working with the APIs, connecting Claude to external systems, keeping costs under control, and making sure that it works reliably in a real application. It's multiple choice, scenario-based, so you're not writing code in the exam itself, but you'll definitely will need some hands-on experience with Claude to pass. The exam is 53 questions, 120 minutes long, $125, and you need 720 out of 1,000 to pass. The Claude Certified Architect Foundation is the next one that you want to do. This architect certification is less about the code and more about the decisions. If the developer certification asks you whether you can build it, this one will ask you why you should build it. It's more about designing the bigger picture of where Claude fits into a wider system inside of a business, choosing the right infrastructure, and deciding when multiple AI agents should work together, and also keeping the whole thing reliable and cost efficient as it starts to scale. The exam is 60 questions, 120 minutes long, $125, and you need 720 out of 1,000 to pass. For these 2 Claude certification exams, you'll need 8 to 12 weeks in total, especially if you've never used Claude's API, and this is really where you take all of that knowledge that you've accumulated and prove that you can actually apply it with the tools that the industry is adopting right now. So here is the full AI certification roadmap. Step 1, foundations, the AWS Cloud Practitioner and the AWS AI Practitioner, 2 to 4 weeks in total. Step 2, the associate, the AWS Machine Learning Engineer, again 2 to 4 weeks. Step 3, the professional, AWS Gen AI developer. This one you need 6 to 8 weeks. Step 4, the mastery, Claude Certified Developer and Claude Certified Architect, both at the foundational level. 8 to 12 weeks here to grab these. Now, before we finish, I need to give you a reality check because this is where 99% of people watching this video get tripped up. It's really easy to get caught up in the process of getting Claude and AI certified. You pass one exam, it feels great, you start the next one, and before you know it, you spend 6 to 12 months collecting more certifications. Obviously, if the goal is to just keep up with the industry and to learn new stuff in the certifications to stay sharp, then sure, it's not the end of the world. But if you're getting certifications because you want to unlock a higher paying job, then certifications on their own aren't getting you over the line. They prove that you have the theoretical knowledge, and that is valuable. It can get you past resume screenings, but they don't prove that you can actually build hands-on and solve real business problems. Ultimately, that's what gets you hired. So as you work through this roadmap, don't just learn the theory, apply it and build hands-on. You should see certifications as part of the overall picture to get hired, as opposed to the only thing that you should focus on. As long as you're aware of this and you've got your expectations aligned, at least then you won't be disappointed 6 to 12 months down the line. I'll catch you on the next one. Bosh!